In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make group emails in Gmail, a simple process that can save you a lot of time and effort when reaching out to multiple people at once. So, let's dive in and take a close look at each step to get you set up smoothly. First, you'll need to start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're on the main page, look for the grid icon at the top right hand corner. This is Google's app launcher, giving you quick access to various Google services. Go ahead and click on that grid icon. A drop-down menu will pop up showing you a suite of apps. From here you need to click on Contacts. This will redirect you to Google Contacts, which is where we'll be handling our email groups. Once you are in Google Contacts, you'll see a page where all your contacts are listed. Look for the plus icon located beside the Labels section on the left-hand side menu. Clicking this plus icon allows you to create a new label, which will serve as your group tag. After clicking, a prompt will appear asking you to type in a name for your new label. Choose a name that clearly represents the group of people you want to email collectively, such as family or workmates. Once you've entered the label name, click on Save to create your label. The next thing you'll want to do is add contacts to this new group. Go back to your list of contacts and select the ones you want to include in the group by clicking on them. Once you've selected a contact, look for the Manage Labels icon, a small label symbol, which you should see near the top of the interface. Clicking it will display all the labels you've created. Find the label you just made, select it, and then click Apply to assign those contacts to the group. You can repeat this process for as many contacts as you need or create additional labels for different groups. Once you're done, you're ready to send an email to your new group. Back in Gmail, compose a new message and in the To field, start typing the name of your label. Gmail will automatically detect that it's a contact group and populate the field with the emails associated with that label. And that's it, you've successfully created a group email in Gmail. By utilizing these groups, you can now send emails seamlessly to multiple recipients without having to type each address individually. This helps keep your communication organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your emailing process.